Do you think your calves are genetic? Nah, you just never learn how to train them correctly. And today, I will give you 4 exercises and 3 different systems to train every single part of your calf. And I guarantee you, if you do what I say, your calves will start looking big, bad, like this. Guys, your calves, they are always working. As long as you are walking or standing, they are always under pressure. So they have become a very endurance muscle. Now, calves, you cannot be training it in endurance because they are already training for endurance just by existing, just by moving you forward and just by keeping you upright. So you have to change the way you're applying the load on your calves. And now how do you do that? 2 things. When you are walking, you are extending the calves, but you are never extending them in full range of motion. So the first thing you have to do is full range of motion. The second thing, you have to go extremely heavy because they are used to light, your body weight, which is light for them, and high reps, which is the whole day walking and standing and moving. So you have to do low reps and extremely heavy. And the third thing is you have to be training both of the calf muscles, which train ultimately when we are walking in shoes. You have to train the outside and the inside. And now I will show you how to do it in 4 amazing exercises. So if you want to grow big bad calves, check the whole episode. And by the way, the last exercise is one exercise that you would never imagine would grow your calves, and you have been doing it all your life. So check the whole video, guys. Let's go. So now, guys, you see, I have 75 or whatever, 75 kgs there. This is heavy for my calves. You have to go heavy. You cannot work your calves in endurance. They're already working that when you're walking. And now, full range of motion. Just the toes, maximally up and tense. And tense. See, guys, I'm not doing a jerking quick movement. I'm slowing it down because the quick, fast movements is what your calves are doing anyway when you are walking. So focus on stretching maximally down, coming up all the way and tensing, squeezing them as much as possible. Now, the second thing you need to be doing is you need to be focusing on the inside of the calves. And you do that by tilting your feet outwards. Full range of motion. Now you will notice that in this exercise or in this way, you're feeling the inside much more than the outside. This is the 2 ways to do a seated calf raise, calf training. So now, guys, this is my go-to exercise for calves, and the reason I love this one is just because I can load it heavier than a seated one. Same thing to think about. All the way down, stretch your calves out, come up on your toes, down again. Up on your toes, down, down again. That's how we grow big calves, guys. But this is only the 2 exercises and 1 system. Now I'm showing you 2 other things. And at the end, I'm giving you an exercise that you have been doing all your life. You just have never been doing it in the way that it will grow your calf. If you have done the previous exercises properly, this will feel like a burn totally. Why I'm doing this one is because it stretches the calves further than any machine ever will let you do. And that's the Stairmaster. Every gym has one. Put the Stairmaster stair in an angle. It will let you stretch your calves out more than any other machine. Get in on the toes, not on the foot, just on the toes. Stretch out and raise and help yourself from the hands to get up on the tip of your toes. And down again. Hold on your body weight on your hands and up on the tip of your toes and squeeze. When you do this, you do 20 slow reps and squeeze, I guarantee you. Do not start with this, but when you're doing this as the 2nd or 3rd exercise, it's a total burnout, guys. And now, the last exercise that you've been doing all your life and you could not even imagine that it will grow your calves. Want to see it? Well, share, subscribe and comment below, guys. Help us grow as we are helping you to grow. Let's go. And now, guys, the last exercise that you've been doing all your life but didn't know that it can grow your calves is simply jumping. Now, what happens when you jump? You definitely don't lift your feet off the floor like this. When you're trying to jump high, you're going to explode, you're going to overextend your calves, and you're going to use every single muscle fiber in your calves to get as high as possible. So how you do this, guys? set a goal, set a line that you know you barely can reach, and do your absolute best to jump and touch it. Do 20 of those and do 4 sets for a mad calf burnout, and I guarantee you guys, you will feel them cramping during those 20 reps. The important thing here is that you are really trying to jump your absolute highest. So don't be lazy, go all in, and I guarantee you guys that within 4 weeks your calves are looking different. Now, tips. Before you start applying everything I taught you today, measure your calves and measure them again after 4 weeks and tell me if they grow. Please go back to this video and tell in the comment if they actually did grow, because I guarantee you that they will. Let's go, guys. Share, subscribe, and like, and share it and send it to every single person you know. Help us grow as we grow you guys. Ooh!